Hi students, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು exercise number 1.2 fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is first term, D is common difference and AN is nth term of the AP. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ನೋ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ AP formula we can find these filling the blanks. Okay, so first we will start the making the notes.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ PDF ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1.2 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
In the question number 1, that is first one, here the first term is given, first term is A is equals to 7 and common difference D is equals to 3. Number of terms n is equals to 8 is given. So we have to find nth term of an AP series, that is AN equal to question mark. So students, here we know solution we know that the nth term of an AP series, we have to find the what is the formula is AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we have to find AN. Okay, you keep it AN as it is. So what is your A? A is 7 plus what is n? N is 8 minus 1 into D is 3. So AN equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. So AN equal to 7 plus 21. So AN equal to is 28. So second problem, the given, that is first term A is given, that is minus 18, nth term also given, term of an AP series an equal to 0, the number of terms n is equals to 10. So we have to calculate common difference. D is equals to what? Solution, we know that nth term of AP series an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is an? An is 0. What is a? A is minus 18 plus n is 10 minus 1. We have to calculate the value of d. So you keep it as it is, d. By solving this equation, 0 minus 18 plus 9, 10 minus 1 is 9 into d. So I will take this minus 18 into left hand side. So it will becomes plus 18 is equals to 9d. So d is equals to 18 by 9, this is equals to 9 1 ja 9 2 ja, that is 2. Problem number 3, the given common difference d is equal to minus 3, number of terms n is equals to 18, nth term of the AP series an equals to minus 5, first term a equals to, we have to find the value of a. So solution, we know that nth term of an AP series an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. an is minus 5, a is, we have to calculate the value a, plus n is 18 minus 1, d is minus 3. So minus 5 is equals to a plus 17 into minus 3. Minus 5 is equals to a, minus into plus is minus 51. 17 into 3 is 51. So this is also be written as a minus 51 is equals to minus 5. So a is equals to 51 minus 5, a is equals to 46. Okay. So this is your required value. So student, fourth problem, given first term a is equals to minus 18.9 common difference d is equals to 2.5 nth term of AP series an equals to 3.6. Number of terms we have to calculate. Solution: we know that the nth term of an AP an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? An is 3.6. A is minus 18.9 plus n we have to calculate, whereas d is 2.5. So 3.6 is equals to, so I will make it, this is minus 18 is taken to the left hand side, so this will becomes plus 18.9 is equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. 3.6 plus 18.9 is 22.5 is equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. So I can write n minus 1 is equals to 2.5 divided by 22.5 divided by 2.5. I multiply both the sides by 10, so this will becomes 225 divided by 25, so this is equals to 9. So I can write here n minus 1 is equals to 9. So n equals to 9 plus 1, n is equals to 10. So this is our required answer. Student, fifth question, the given first term a is equals to 3.5 common difference d is equals to 0. Number of term n is equals to 105. Nth term of AP series an equal to, we have to find it. So solution: we know that the nth term of an AP series an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. an is equals to 3.5 plus 105 minus 1, d is 0, an is equals to 3.5 plus 104 into 0, so an equal to 3.5. So student, 0 into any number will be 0, so that the answer will be only 3.5.